Hello and welcome to this new course. Today we will talk about how to make Arduino motion detector. The main goal from this course is to connect a motion detector sensor to Arduino board with all necessary components and make it work. We will explain the basic principle of motion detectors, how most of motion detectors work, and how you can use them to achieve a security goal or any other goal that comes in mind. So, who we are? We are a team of skilled engineers seeking to deliver high quality courses or engineering content, including courses, articles, lessons, and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world under the name of Educational Engineering Team. We also work as freelancer engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects, gave many courses about engineering topics. We are a board member of Microsoft.NET Club. We also founded Inkbal team, which is a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced cost to help students understand and develop their skills. Here in Udemy, this is our profile in Udemy Educational Engineering Team. As you can see, we have more than 12,000 students, 35 courses, and 271 review. Our courses ranges from let's say circuit design, Arduino, big microcontroller, and lots of other great topics such as electronics, programming, and let's say circuit simulation. And you can also make your own circuit. In our courses we teach how to make PCB circuits, so I'm sure that you will have fun once you join this course, our new course, which is Arduino Motion Detector. We have other Arduino courses, as you can see in our profile. You can check these courses, and if you liked any of them, just drop us a message with the name of the course and we'll send you a 90% or 95% discount coupon, because you are important to us and we want to help you learn more at a way much lower costs. So let's get going with this course. See you inside and happy learning. This is Educational Engineering Team.